All right, guys. As always, nature is therapeutic. Today I am at Secret Woods Nature Park, and I'm going to start our journey off with the Monarch Interactive Center. Pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. There's all the sound of nature. Really cool. I got some pretty cool, amazing stuff in here. Once again, we are at Secret Woods Nature Center. And they have some amazing things here. Guys, let's get ready to walk the trail. And once again, as always, nature is therapeutic. All right, let's go, shall we? All right, let's start off on the place is pretty big. I talked to one of the management when I came in, so I'm gonna do ground trails, also the decks. I'm gonna try to get around. Let's do it, folks. It's beautiful out here. Do the New River Trail first. Let's take a look at that. Looks pretty cool. The guy told me the overview is being worked on. They're actually putting a second floor up on it. That's going to be cool when that's done. So I won't be able to go up there, but he said I can swing around it and get pictures of the lake. There are mantises out here, you know. He said at this time, most likely you won't see one. I knew there was a secret in here. Is that why it's called Secret Woods? Very nice, folks. Feels amazing back here. Actually has a breeze, lots of shade. Not bad at all. Snake. No, actually, that's a snake hole. That's pretty big right there. Wouldn't want to sit by this chair. Have something coming between your dang legs going up. Alright. Oh, this is going to be one of those things. Which way should I go? That must be where they're working on the deck. So let's see. Oops, he's working on something else. We're going to swing around this way. How's it going?
All right, I think.
All right. That guy kind of had that Wes Craven look to him. Alright guys, if I don't come back, you guys know Freddie brother got me. Nightmare on Nature Street. Pretty nice. Looks like through the water I see, through the woods I see a lake or something. And you can see this is all wetland. It's a little dry, but it's wet, and this floods. It gets really high, and he says when it gets to a certain point that it actually returns back into the river. Pond apple, pretty cool. Well, let me see. I don't see anything on the trees that's blooming yet, but yeah. It was amazing. Okay, this is the point where he said it was closed off. I'm not going to be able to enter this. I'm going to have to go around the other way. But as you can see, there's a lake on the other side. And actually, here's the stand they're building. So it's going to be really nice, pretty big. And it actually goes right out to the mantis, guys. Oh man, I really wanted to see that. What a bummer. But hey, I can walk along the water. We'll see if we see something else. I got a ways to go here. I'm just starting. So if you're into nature, sit back, relax, get some refreshments. And if you're not, take a hike. You know, this is for the nature people. Walkways are actually just a tad wider than some of the other places I've been. pass them back up. Watch out for me now. I got the drill. All right. Yeah. Thought he almost had me, guys. He did the growl move on me. So we're gonna go back this way. See if we can swing around or something. Doesn't it kind of look spooky? There are trees everywhere. There's so many trees together, it just spiraled all with each other. This thing just zigzags to the left, to the right. Turn around and go this way and see. Mudland. Rest station overhead. You can tell that this water gets really high because look how these trees are, you know. They just, roots halfway sticking up. They're funny looking, just, you know. I can guarantee you at night this place looks spooky, spooky, spooky. They're always talking about Bigfoot, but you know what? If that guy is around and he exists, I don't think Bigfoot want to hang here. You know, the place is muddy. He might trip and bust his head. You know, yeah, this is really muddy. What are those things down there moving? Huh? Those got to be termites. Okay, looks like I'm coming to the lake again. Let me see a view this time. Something? That's right. Don't litter, guys. Don't litter. Come out to nice places like this and mess up everything. Here we go. So what the hell out here, folks? Hoping to see one. I want to say those are on the endangered species list. Hear so much about them. Coconuts. Yeah, this led around the opposite side of where I was the first time. So okay, just explain those weird looking trees here. Or roots. I knew it was weird. Boat moving by. I guess you gotta wait for it. Late summer. Make some big waves. Alright guys, we're gonna move around to the other side. See what we got here. Pretty cool on this side, I can tell you that, from the water. So this is what he meant. When it fills up a lot, you know, it drains from inside and it comes out under the bridge. Got a bird, folks. It looks like he's hunting for something the way he's moving slow like that. Let's see. What's he doing? Like he's about to creep up on something he sees. guess it got away from him. Maybe next time, but that's actually what he was. Yellow crowned nighthorn. Those are little hunters, they look like. Oh, yeah. The management here seemed pretty cool. It's pretty nice, very informative. He gave me a lot of brochures and actually gave me a nice place I'm gonna go check out tomorrow. So stay tuned, guys. He said this is a nice one. Has an overview and it's pretty big. So kind of excited for that tomorrow. I think I hear Texas Chainsaw Master down there sawing something down now. I think it was swaying to the right. Yeah, better go to the right this time. That's the only way to go. I think when I get all the way around, I have to swing to the right. Okay. It's very peaceful back here. Very peaceful. Haven't heard much though here. As far as all activity moving, animals moving. There's lots of little bugs moving across the mud though, I can tell you that. And spider webs through the trees. If anything, so far this is a good walk. Haven't seen much yet. But it's a very nice place. The learning centers were very nice. Looks like they even bring kids for field trips here. So, at least they still do that. A lot of things they don't do anymore. This is another sit area. Gotta leave. This is a big plank. Wow. guys are enjoying your day today. You know. What do we have here? Oh, the pineapple. There it goes with my alarm, folks. It is 1 o'clock. I usually change it to Nature Man at 1 o'clock. That's why I got it set. Here. I'm just going to take off, but it's pretty. Let me get a little closer, guy. Hey there. Hey there, fella. Just hanging out off the path. Hey guy. Hey guy. Right. Swipe around and go the other way. Back towards the nature center and take this other path that I see. Something just jumped in there. Pretty tree we got here. And there's all type of ferns, different ones, and they just grow on everything. There are some really big size hoses back here. Used to be a lot of snakes. And I see other little bugs as well in smaller holes coming in and out. And barrels. guys. Now we're gonna go Real Oak Trail. Okay, this one's more of a ground one. Looks like we're gonna go over some water a couple times. I am here. Let's go check it out, shall we? I always like my ground trails. Okay, bullfrogs, Carolina ring, gray squirrels. We have all that, huh? I'd say what I am seeing is these weird bugs. As soon as you get up on them, they disappear quickly. I haven't seen one yet to try to, get on the film. But they're everywhere. They just disappear as soon as you walk up on them. They run right back in the little barrels. Okay, I'm gonna go this way first. Signs of wildlife. I like feathers. Find a feather, I keep them. Nice little sitting area, guys. Alright, just like the fern forest, they have armadillo. And with those, I found out I normally see those when it's early in the morning, if it's raining or it just got done raining, that's when I run into those. Other than that, you really just don't see them around. Caution tape. Where's it going?
Freaking tarantulas in that.
Yeah?
Dude.
Where's that?
Big holes.
There's tarantulas in there?
I swear to God.
Yeah? I've been trying to see something, but I haven't seen anything. But these little bugs that goes back in these little barrels.
Dude, go in, check out around that tree.
Mm-hmm.
You might be able to see where a couple fingers sticking out.
All right, guys. Thanks.
Wow.
I said there's some tarantulas in here. Nice to see something. Wow. I didn't actually see that on there. Maybe he's seeing something else. That should have been on the sign, or maybe I just passed it, overlooked it in the learning center. This tree does look like it would have something like that. But like I've said, I've seen some weird bugs that, I don't know what they are. They looked like they were crabs, then they looked like they were snakes, snake holes. And some of the barrels are pretty big, like for instance, look at that barrel. That's a pretty sized big barrel, right? I'm seeing bugs, like smaller bugs coming out of these barrels. I mean, they're not like too small. They're almost like the palmetto beetle. We call them roaches back at home. You see something that big. Oh wow, look, there's a lizard sitting right in front of me though. Look at him, guys. I don't know what type he is, but he's all in there. He hasn't run yet. Hey guys, just hanging out. It's pretty nice. Wow. Well, I don't know, guys. I'm gonna move on. There is a tarantula in there. I'm definitely not gonna put my hand nowhere up in there. Oh, we got a hermit crab. Maybe that's what those are. I'm starting to see things. Look, guys. Maybe that's what those are. I'm seeing little baby ones because these barrels are crazy. He's just hanging out. That's probably what that guy's seeing. I don't think there's no tarantulas here. But I could be wrong. But that is a hermit crab. And he has another one underneath him moving around. Look at that. There's two of them in the hole. Wow. Alright, guy, I'm not going to attack you. Whoever think he must have washed out from the river over there. And he's come over here. Hangs out in the mud a little bit, and he'll probably work his way back, but it looks like he's actually living there. And there's probably more than one because I see other barrels. So okay, that's the first. We run into something like that. Okay, guys. Hey guys, at least we found something, you know? Some of you guys are probably getting ready to get your butter ready and boil some water. Don't do it, guys. Don't come out here hunting these little things. That'd be some crab legs at night and arms, huh? Because there's definitely a lot out here. You can see the way it's set up. I knew it was something because I kept seeing too many holes like that. And there's actually a lot of little baby ones running around here. But they go in the barrel as soon as you see them. So that's why you're seeing them. The water is pretty low. We haven't got enough water yet this season. So, you know, this little bridge usually has water up to it that I'm on. Showed on the map, actually, you know, there's supposed to be water all under a lot of these areas. Those are those wild berries again. Remember, folks, don't you eat one of these things. That'll be your last berry. They're not Captain Crunch berries. They're none of that. Let the birds have it. Okay. This is a little rest area, it looks like. It feels amazing back here. There's a breeze. I gotta be getting closer to more water or something. It's pretty. Okay. Oh, that breeze feels amazing. Okay, I gotta watch this little under pathway they made. They don't tell me what's hanging at the top of that. Another little resting place. It's pretty cool. It's been a pretty cool walk so far. You know, seeing a little something. But other than that, folks, this is actually a nice place to come walk if you're trying to get some exercise and maybe run into some nature. I'm seeing that. Whoa. See, that is a pretty big hole. And that's what I mean with some of these holes. They are huge. I'm going to have to ask the guy. You know, before I leave, hopefully the nice guy's in there. I'll stop in there and ask them questions about some of these holes. You know, because they're everywhere. They're by the benches. They're everywhere. And we're on another bridge that supposedly there should be water. But as you see, folks, there's no water. That's why it looks so muddy out there, because it's normally supposed to be all swampy. So you got a lot of hermit crabs and crabs, you know, hanging out. Waiting for the water to come back and they'll probably make their way out of here. This part looks a little spooky. Like something might jump out at me or something. Rumpelstiltskin, are you here? Okay, that is a huge hole. There's another one, folks. Now, those are different crabs or whatever else this in those. There's a lot of them, but I think some of these are different type of animals that's in these holes. And that looked like that went into a circle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the nature center, guys. We're gonna talk to Shaggy, real cool guy. Real cool guy. He actually wants to check out my channel, like, subscribe. A lot of you guys don't know that word, huh? Subscribe. Subscribe. Yeah. So we're gonna go inside. The inside was pretty cool, guys. They got a tank, a huge fish tank with a turtle inside, and there's fish. It's pretty cool. Okay, they have black racers out here and yellow rat snake. I've seen those before. The rest is all common. And your typical Florida spiders. Man, you can't go anywhere here without walking into a web half the time. And that's not just here, just other places, you know. Place is very nice. Very nice, guys. They have restrooms. Yeah. I want to go back in and ask this guy a question.
I'm telling you, it's beautiful. It really
Oh,
is.
thank you, man.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
I got a question.
I got an answer.
Those huge holes, what are they? They all over the place.
Yeah,
I've seen
there's a
crabs.
snake- No, there's.
I've seen a hermit crab too in one.
That's a python hole.
They're pythons?
Yeah, got big pythons out here, man.
You hear that, folks?
Oh no! Wait, if we're on video, no, they're not pythons. They're not pythons. They're crabs.
Crab.
They're
Okay,
crab holes.
okay. I was going to say
They're
that,
crab
man,
holes.
because I
Alright.
seen the crazy one spit hell on everybody.
They got pythons. So the larger holes are going to be your
Uh-huh.
blue land crabs.
Okay.
And then the smaller holes
I
are going
got
to be
you
the
over here.
fiddler crabs. So the fiddler crabs are the little guys. The males have that big claw.
Right.
The females actually have two tiny claws.
Right.
And then the blue land crabs, they also dig the hole as well. We have a third type of crab, which is a mangrove crab. But the mangrove crabs, they don't dig holes. They live on the mangrove
Live on the
trees
mainland.
out on New
There's a
River.
lot of them because they're all over, even by the benches out there. You
Yeah.
know, I made a little joke. I said, guys, don't get your butter ready. You know, can't come out here hunting, you know, crabs.
No, can't be
you know?
taking the crabs
You
out.
can't hunt the crabs, guys.
No,
but
can't take anything
this
or leave
is
anything.
a very nice place. I liked it. You know.
Oh, thank you.
I love the tape. I had to get that tape one time. I love the tape. So I'm gonna post all this up. You guys got some nice footage out here. I love the walk trails. Seen some nice lizards too. There was a guy said he seen a tarantula.
Tarantula?
No, we don't have.
That's what I figured.
No.
I looked at the tree. He said he swear he seen 4 little hairy fingers moving around in the tree.
Nah.
That's what he said.
So he probably saw the golden orb weaver, also known as a banana spider.
Oh,
They're
gotcha.
coming back
Are they a
now.
little bigger though? The fingers?
Oh, God, they get bigger than the size of your hand.
Oh,
they
that's-
get massive.
They're not hairy though.
Oh, he just didn't know what they were then. That's big enough then. I mean,
Yeah. But yeah, during October to about now, they actually they go in hibernation. Something. I'm not
Wow.
sure. But they leave.
Okay.
They go north for the winter, I guess. And then they come back during this time.
Wow.
And we'll have them all the way up till the end of October. And
Wow.
same thing with the crabs. They like to come out during the summertime. And then it's the end of July to like November. That's when you can really see the blue crabs out and about.
Oh, okay.
And the most shocking thing is, so right now we're at 0 feet of sea level.
Yeah,
We're right here
and
on
that's
sea
why a
level.
lot of them hanging out.
Those
too.
guys dig a hole all the way down to the water table,
Wow.
and they hit water
Wow.
because they have gills that they
Right.
need to keep moist so they can
moist.
breathe. If they get dried out, they can't breathe.
Can't breathe.
So they keep their gills moist. And as you walk out, we have a little display board of how the crabs dig their holes all the way
Okay,
down.
I'm gonna catch all that.
Yeah. It's on the right side as you're
Alright,
walking
will do.
out towards the parking lot. You'll see
Will
the
do.
sign.
All right, man. It was thanks for
Yeah,
getting
absolutely.
everything for me.
Thank
I
you.
enjoyed my time out here. I'm gonna come back again because I
Yeah,
gotta see
welcome
those
back
mentees.
anytime.
All right. Oh, guys. I told you, I call him Shaggy. He seems real cool. I knew it, folks. That is some different things going on around here. I'm gonna take this way too. The kids are here. Hi.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Nursing?
All right. Ladybug Crossing. Let's see what we got here, guys. No picnicking allowed right in this area. Do not approach the raccoons. I won't do that, but I used to have them as pets when I was little. Raccoons, don't get mad, folks, because I know we got a lot of dog lovers, but raccoons are smarter than dogs. I'll tell you that right now. They actually know how to go and get things for you and know what they are, and will actually sit on the couch with you and watch TV. And if you give them its own bowl of grapes, fruit, they'll eat out the bowl with you and actually watch the program with you. No bullcrap. They are really smart animals to be out in the wild. I can see how they survive from generation to generation. You know, there's no telling how long the raccoon has been here. I don't even think scientists know that. That's just my prediction, because they're very intelligent. I mean, they know how to take lids off garbage cans. They know what time to come look for food. They hang out in groups, you know, so it's pretty cool. Some of them know a trap when they see it. Some of them, you know, might get caught in the trap, but you know, a lot of them, they're pretty smart. Most people, you know, treat them bad and whatever, but they're only trying to survive. They won't harm you unless you get them cornered. They're that type of animal where you get them cornered, of course, like anybody, they're going to try to defend themselves. I had a neighbor that actually used to hunt those things. He would go up north in Wisconsin and go hunting for those. And he had a couple nice hound dogs. I mean, some nice bloodhounds. And he even came back and told my father, you know, hey, don't let the raccoons fool you. You know, he had a hound dog that was killed by one. The hound dog got him cornered. It was really fearful. And actually, the raccoon was a nice sized raccoon, don't get me wrong. But yeah, he handled him. Yeah, so he left with one dog less. So not around right now. It's probably because there's a lot of activity with people going this way. So, you know, there's another big hole. These things are everywhere, folks. And they're blue crabs, as he said. You know, that's the crowd's favorite. You guys, I don't know if this video should be good for a lot of you guys. Please do not come out here blue crab hunting. Very nice park. I'm gonna walk this way too.
And they run fast.
Hi, how are you?
All right. How you doing?
Good. Watch out.
He's fine. He's fine. All right, guys. I don't think this leads to nothing, but we can take a look. It looks like some type of probably educational wise for kids, field trips. Yeah, there's really nothing back here. Nothing back here but giant hoses. That's it. Seems like it's just for educational purposes.
Yeah.
Yeah, for students.
Awesome.
It's gotten much cooler out here too. Very cool. Well, guys, I am going to get ready to end this video. It has been fun hanging out with you guys, learning new things, seeing new things. I am on my way out, and today I didn't lose my vehicle or anything. You guys happy for me today? But yeah. Remember, guys, welcome to the secret woods. Very nice place. And stay tuned. Tomorrow I'll be at a new spot. One of the spots that Shaggy told me about. So, as always, guys, it's been real, it's been fun, and remember, nature is therapeutic, and don't ever let nobody tell you it's not. We're out.